Ang Pilipinas ay hitik sa natural wonders tulad ng mga bulkan na naging tourist spots na dahil sa kakaibang hugis at ganda. Marami tayong ganito sapagkat nakaposisyon ng Pilipinas sa Pacific Ring of Fire. Ngunit isa rin ito sa dahilan kung bakit prone ang bansa sa natural disasters. Ayon sa Index for Risk Management Research ng Congressional Policy and Budget Research Department ng House of Representatives, most vulnerable ang Pilipinas sa mga sakuna. Kaya mahalaga ang disaster response at readiness ng ating public safety officers pagdating sa mga kalamidad. At para maihanda sila, patuloy ang Philippine Public Safety College sa paglinang ng mga individual sa pamamagitan ng kanilang Masters in Crisis and Disaster Risk Management o MCDRM, kung saan itinuturo ang disaster preparedness, crisis mitigation at risk reduction measures.
For us in the BFP, as the core group in terms of response, malaki po ang maging benepisyo nito sa amin. Not purely on the skills, but on the clear understanding of how the humanitarian assistance in disaster response runs. No?
Graduates, you may now transfer your academic sash from your right to your left shoulder. Congratulations.
Ngayong taon, 36 mula sa mga uniform personnel, local government units, government employees at maging pribadong sektor ang nagsipagtapos sa nasabing kurso.
Dumarami tayo. Dumarami na ang mga experts, dumarami na ang mga masters, and dumarami na ang people who are into disaster management.
This course is really very, very significant. Not only sa amin syempre as Coast Guard, but also to the whole nation as well. Their contribution and significance hindi papantayan.
We will carry with us the passion and dedication of our classmates, of our colleagues from the local and the national government, looking at UMG. The wisdom of the academe, the discipline of the uniformed personnel, the compassion of civil society, the innovation of the private sector, at syempre huwag natin kakalimutan, the heart of public service.
Naging panauhing pandangal si National Intelligence Coordinating Agency Director General Retired Police Lieutenant General Ricardo F. De Leon na nagbigay ng talumpati at mensahe sa mga nagsipagtapos.
Be resilient, not reactive. Challenges will face you. Resilience comes from both preparations. It is the flexibility and the courage to act decisively.
Ang okasyong ito ang patunay na patuloy ang ating pamahalaan sa pamamagitan ng PPSC sa paghubog pa ng mga taong magiging dalubhasa sa disaster management para makatulong sa ating mga kababayan sa gitna ng unos.
Well, I would like to share and invite that this course is very significant and very essential. MC Dream course is magagamit talaga, especially during crisis management.
This is a very good avenue for us to learn disaster management and becoming a country of resiliency, a country with a people that are resilient in addressing problems in terms of disaster.